Michael Gaine was reported missing from his home near Kinmare, County Kerry on Friday the 21st of March 2025. He was last seen on Thursday the 20th of March 2025. Gardaí continue to appeal for help in the investigation into the disappearance of Michael. Garda investigation team at Killarney Garda Station, led by a senior investigation officer, have undertaken over 320 formal inquiries, taken almost 130 witness statements, and uncovered or recovered approximately 2,200 hours of CCTV dashcam footage. Extensive searches utilising specialist equipment by state and other agencies have been carried out over the past 5 weeks and have failed to locate Michael. The disappearance is completely out of character and entirely at odds with Michael's pattern of behaviour established by the investigation to date. Based on the entirety of the information available to the investigation team at Killarney Garda Station on Tuesday the 29th of April 2025, on Garda Síochána reclassified the missing person investigation as a homicide investigation. A formal criminal investigation has now commenced, and Gardaí are seeking any information from any person who can assist us in bringing Michael back to his family. A formal criminal investigation has commenced, and Garda Síochána continue to keep Michael's family fully informed of the status of that investigation and supported through a family liaison officer as they come to terms with this update. Michael's family and his wife Janice have repeated their request for privacy at this time. On Garda Síochána appeals for any person who may have information on what happened to Michael